Alright, I am back, and y'all know what time it is. This is the Apple Watch Series 5, and we're gonna go ahead and have a look at it today. We're gonna open it in another super cool unboxing. Alright, so I'm back with the Apple Watch Series 5. I still got my Series 3 tatted on my wrist, even though it's not synced up with my phone because I didn't see the point in getting. Oh, the box is scuffed right here. No. Oh, the watch is dead. DOA. That sucks. It must have got dropped during shipping or something. It's not a big deal. I got this through T-Mobile, their financing plan, so this is what I was really waiting for. I had the Series 3 for 2 years, so this was like the upgrade that I was like, okay, this is the upgrade I need. The phone thing, didn't really need a new phone. I was just unhappy with the size. I didn't really care about the upgrades. This, oh, I love the, wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it has the box that folds out here, has the little watches inside. Okay, this is the watch box, and you have your band box. That's cool. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what's the point of this little thing on the outside? But that's cool. Y'all got it's cool. Admit it. Let's pop the band real quick. So you got your little peel thing here. See if I can get my finger under it. It's trying to fight me, y'all. It's trying to. Why do I have to fight every time I do an unboxing video? Like, it's ridiculous. All right, you gotta peel this tight cover off. Like, come on, I know y'all trying to make it sleek, Apple, but come on, it's too sleek. It's too tight knit. It's got homies. All right, then you got your different band parts. So the default is the medium to large wrist, and then you also have a different bottom band for the smaller wrist. So of course we're gonna go ahead and pop that medium to large. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that out of there, and then we got the main course. See, they made that so loose. You just what? Okay, I jammed it. I messed up the whole illusion. All right, so we're gonna put that down. You got your little stuff you expect to come with it. This is just a how to get started guide. Hold on. Oh no, where's my Apple stickers? Oh, did I miss them or they just? My stickers. That's gonna be a knock. No Apple stickers in the box. Apple, you slipping on your grizzy. I guess technically I should tell you which Apple Watch this is. It's the Series 5 44mm space gray with LTE. And they got this little sleek satin Gucci pouch. You got the charger, and you got the charger. The charger's not really changed. I am gonna switch it out for the new one because this watch is actually being sold to my friend for $100. Well, let's pop this out. Just kind of get a look at the smoothness, the sleekness. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. I mean, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. I remember when I was playing with the Series 4 in the store. I didn't spend that much time with the Series 4, but I felt like it was kind of light. This one definitely feels a lot heavier. Let's go ahead and get these bands popped on. You just slide the bands in there. Boom, click, click. Boom, click, click. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. That was pretty fast. So I noticed even with the Series 3, it was never really that fast to turn on. Like even the initial showing the Apple logo. I'm not saying that this will be dramatically faster because Apple Watches have always taken a long time to boot up. But, I mean, it's definitely an improvement. I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone ready. So I gotta put the watch near the phone. Bam, it just pops up. Hit continue. And then you gotta do this little scanny thing. Woo! The Apple Watch is paired, baby. I'm gonna restore from backup because I ain't got time to be doing no new. Continue. So I'm gonna just pull it from my previous backup. And there we go, we're restoring. I'm gonna agree to the terms and conditions. So we're pretty much rocking and rolling. While this is setting up, let me pop my Series 3 off. The one thing I like right away, which they changed last year, but the design of the LTE one has the red ring around it. It's a lot more subtle than this. This is also space gray. And I guess this is a lot thinner. You can kind of tell right here. This is the Series 3. This is the 5. Looks to me to be a lot thinner. When you compare the two. Alright, now it's asking me to sign up with my Apple ID. That's fine. I'm going to continue. This setup is still kind of bad, so I had to skip it because it wasn't letting me sign on my Apple ID. So let's go ahead and create a passcode for this. It's making me put in my birthday. It's saying I'm old. Shot! Not out. Done. So I asked you some basic personal questions. You can set your move goal. I think mine was set to 580. So let's go ahead and go back there. Set up Apple Pay on my watch. Of course, that's where I use Apple Pay most of the time. So come on, setting up Apple Pay. Card has been added. Alright, now I'm setting up the cellular through T-Mobile. So hopefully this transfers over without a hitch. Alright, now the Apple Watch is going through its little seeking process. I wasn't able to activate the LTE right now. I had to call into T-Mobile because it wouldn't automatically activate.
Oh, they got out.
Bye. So, just gotta wait for this to finish. It's finally ready. Oh, it only took a few hours. Okay, it wasn't that long, but it felt like it. Alright, so I am feeling the spatial difference with this one and the little extra screen real estate you get. It's kind of a comparison between the two. You got the classic 42 on this side. You got the new on this side. And then of course you got the always on display on this one. See, it's already cutting out on me. So let's go ahead and get this on. I'm probably going to go down to a smaller watch band. I'm not going to use this watch band. I got 800 watch bands to choose from. But I'm definitely liking how smooth it is. So let's test that whole. Let's test the always on. Are we still on? We still on? We on. And now we on for real. Oh, reset my whole fitness for the day. Nothing counted. So when it's not raised, it's kind of dim. You don't get the second chance. But you can still see it. That's still cool. It's still a cool novelty type thing. Honestly, the main reason I bought this was for the compass. That was what I was excited about because now it can finally track elevation during workouts. This was just an added bonus. And I like the extra screen size because I didn't have the Series 4. Overall, I think it's a pretty good watch. And that, my people, is going to bring this video to a conclusion. But if you enjoyed it, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. And always do at least 2 things at the same time.